Bing, 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 bing. All right, what's up, y'all? It's me, your boy, the Burly Bartender. Y'all know me by now. Been at this a little while. So today we're gonna be doing a different kind of video. Instead of your typical making your drinks that I've been doing, we have a couple videos where I'm gonna be unboxing some high-end liquors, stuff you don't just find in any typical bar. It's expensive. So be sure to stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and check it out. All right, cool. I'll see y'all. Clase Azul comes in this flowery looking bottle, right? Go crazy. You know, all fine shit come in a big box. We're gonna unbox it. And then it has this bell on the top. When it's open, it sounds better. So for a shot, it ranges $20 to $60, and for a bottle, it's $150 to $200 for each. Bing, 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 bing.